Welcome to TileTV. I'm Mark Heinlein, Training Director for the National Tile Contractors Association. And in my role with the NTCA, I get to interface with all sorts of tile industry professionals across the United States. And in doing so, we often talk about grout. And if you're a tile contractor or tile installer, you know that grout day is payday, right? Well, that's the idea. And you also know that a great grout job can make or break the tile installation. Well, a great grout job will make it. A poor grout job might break that tile installation and slow down your payday. So it's very important to know how to properly grout and how to make sure that your grout installation will be perfect, will look great, will support the tile installation and stand the test of time. It's also important to know that grout is a necessary component of each and every tile installation. Grout allows for modularity of tile to work. It allows for proper spacing between different types of tile, such as rectified or calibrated or natural tile. And we must understand the right types of grout to use for the right application. The NTCA training team is often asked about single component grout, and we're asked about why it's so difficult to install. One of the problems we see is that installers are using installation methods for the other types of grouts, Portland cement-based grouts for instance, and they're applying those methods to installing these newer single component grouts, and it's a different process. These are different products with different qualities, and they need to be installed and washed and formed differently than a Portland cement-based grout. To successfully grout with a single component grout, the key element is read and follow the manufacturer's instructions. When you do that, you will have success with that type of grout. These single component grouts are terrific products. They have great color consistency. They don't need to be remixed every time, and maybe you get a little more powder, a little less water. You're going to have amazing color consistency. Many of these single component grouts have urethanes and they have colored quartz, so the color is always there, and they may be more flexible than other types of grouts. All of these single component grouts are terrific products. They work very well, and they have properties that some of the other types of grouts may not have. So I do recommend trying a single component grout. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on using it, apply it, and stand back and watch the performance you can get out of it. For more information on all types of grouts, check out the NTCA reference manual. We have an entire section on nothing but grouting. All types of grouts. We talk about cementitious grout, epoxy grout. All types of grouts are listed in our grout section. Check out your NTCA reference manual. Use it on a daily basis to help you become a better tile industry professional. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on TileTV.